Hello folks out there in YouTube land, this is Chuck and I'm coming to you from my house today, and it's a beautiful Monday afternoon, mid-afternoon, October 24th. Temperatures in the mid-50s, a little bit of a breeze, just a nice fall day. And what I'm doing today is I'm gonna go ahead and just do a routine run of my chainsaw, and figured just for grins I'd bring you along and see how this works. Now my old truck there, I carry a chainsaw with me. I have for years. I don't use it very much anymore. In fact, I've had that same saw for about 19 years. It's a Stihl ML310. I used to run a wildfire risk reduction program and had 20 of them. So this is, I haven't run it probably in, I don't know, 2 months or better. And it usually starts pretty good. So what we're going to try, we're going to see if this works. And normally what happens is it'll run 3 pulls to pop and 2 pulls to start. So let's see if it does it or see if it makes a liar out of me. So I'm going to set the phone down on the table here and let's just see what happens. Now that was pretty good. That was 3 pulls to pop, 1 pull to start. It's actually better than I said it was going to be. And so now we're going to let it run for a few minutes. Interesting thing, you set those on concrete. If you watch that, if everything is set well and the carburetor's adjusted right and everything, it'll sit there and go around in circles while it's sitting there idling. So we'll just let it do that for just a little bit. I usually let it run for 10 minutes. I'm not going to keep you all here for 10 minutes doing that. But just figured that'd be something kind of interesting and fun on a nice day to watch. So I'll get back out of the way and just let the saw sit there and spin. Well, that worked out better. We'll just see how the video comes out now, but I should probably say that I'm not sponsored by Stihl or anything like that. It's just I just had a lot of experience with their saws over the years, and during part of my firefighter training I was a tree faller and all that kind of stuff. Still carry the saw around. I heated with wood for a long time, and so I cut my own wood, and I like that as exercise. I'm getting kind of old for that now, but anyway, hope you all have an excellent day, and be good and be kind to each other, and we'll talk again soon.